I, Glenn, take you, Tammy, to be my wife. The moment I first met you, I knew you were the one for me. You've shown me what it is truly to love somebody and there's no one else I would want to spend the rest of my life with but you.
Oh girl, it must be you again. You have gone straight to my head. Take the pills and go to bed, but I'm still hooked on it. Well, you are sacred in a way. I don't know God, but still have faith that He will manifest some way when I am next to you.
I promise to love you, be your best friend, which you don't mind, respect and support you, be patient with you and work side by side to achieve our goals. And I do promise one day to finally build you a horse arena worth riding in.
I asked your father for your hand, but it didn't matter what he said. The thought of you in a white dress, I don't think I can shake it. We'll get a little place upstate, stay till the kids all graduate, talk of moving every day, but who are we kidding?
Glenn, I take you to be my husband. As a little girl, I showed love and could accept love, but I lost myself a little along the way. When I met you, I fell in love with how well you belonged in your surroundings, in the hills with your dogs. You've brought that true belonging back to me as you continue to guide me to a place of happiness and vulnerability. You've shown me how to love and feel truly worthy of love again. I promise to butter and salt your spuds when I bring them out to you in the tractor, and I promise to always keep a tidy garden so you can run a mob of bulls through it whenever you feel like it. Glenn, you're consistent in my life, and I am so proud that I get to continue to walk beside you from now and forever.
It is with great pleasure that I can now pronounce you husband and wife. Glenn, you may kiss your bride.
I do have to say, Glenn, how you are lucky to leave here tonight with a wife. And Tammy, you are lucky to leave here with a great dress and a bouquet of flowers.
May the world's longest and happiest engagement lead to the world's most longest and happiest marriage. Thank you!
Ladies and gentlemen, can you please be up singing for a toast to the bride and groom, to Glenn and Tammy.